I've been exploring the GMHBA Health Insurance for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. GMHBA is a not-for-profit Australian health insurer that focuses on combined hospital and extras cover, with options for singles, couples, families, and single parents, plus specific help for under 30s and people planning for pregnancy. You get a clear tiered range of hospital products from Basic Plus through to Silver Plus, along with Smart Care extras that let you channel more of your limits into things like dental, physio, and chiro depending on what you actually use. They also push some decent promos, like weeks free on new combined cover and waiving shorter waiting periods on extras for eligible new members in 2026, which makes jumping across a bit less painful if you are already considering a switch. On the usability side, the online quote tool is straightforward. They spell out inclusions such as accident cover, excess waivers for same-day stays, joint reconstructions, and cataracts on higher tiers, and they make switching easy by handling your transfer certificate and recognizing previous waiting periods when you move on a similar level of cover. There is a community feel too, with their own eye care, dental, physio, and medical practices, and that long not-for-profit history which will appeal if you like the idea of your premiums being reinvested into member value rather than shareholders. Recent 2026 updates also highlight their ongoing compliance with the Private Health Insurance Code of Conduct and refreshed marketing around tax-related topics like the Medicare levy surcharge and government rebate, which is useful if you're trying to sort out cover before tax time. That said, it's not perfect. Pricing is still highly variable by age, state, and income, and while they show example weekly prices for a 30-year-old in Victoria, you only see a real cost after putting in your details, so it can feel less transparent than a side-by-side industry comparison. Some of the attractive features, like no excess for kids or broader surgery categories, only show up on mid- and top-tier hospital products, so if you are on a budget Basic Plus policy, you may find meaningful exclusions that push you back into the public system for certain treatments. Their own network of health practices is a nice value add, but if you live outside their stronger footprint areas, you might not get much day-to-day benefit from that community angle compared with a larger national fund. Overall, GMHBA looks like a solid option if you care about a not-for-profit ethos, simple combined policies, and flexible extras, but you still need to carefully check the fine print, especially what is excluded on cheaper tiers, and how the 2026 promo offers and waiting periods actually apply to your situation before locking anything in. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.